Ruth is back with a recipe to share. This recipe features some wholesome ingredients that are in season at the store right now.
Well, one of the things we enjoy is welcoming our CommonGround volunteers to make a recipe for us. We look forward to that every week. Joining us now is Ruth Ready. She is from the Scribner area. And Ruth, you have a spring type of recipe for us.
It's spinach strawberry salad with a sweet poppy seed dressing, and takes about 4 ounces of spinach. And then I have 2 cups of sliced strawberries, which this may be a strong 2 cups because we all like strawberries at our house a lot. And then the dressing consists of a 1/4 cup of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 teaspoons of poppy seed. And so for the dressing, of course, put those all together in your bowl. My honey was a little thick, so hopefully it'll stir in. And then you just combine the strawberries with the spinach. My sister-in-law, Carrie, used to make this, and it was the prettiest salad ever because it's got that red and green going for it, and it's just a really pretty salad. And so then you just put your dressing over top. And I'm one of these people who has to scrape the bowl because I don't know, I was raised by a mother who didn't want to waste anything. Maybe it's being the youngest of 6 kids, you didn't dare waste anything. So, and then you just toss that. And it's a little sweet, a little savory with the red wine vinegar, and I get with the strawberries and the spinach as well. And of course, with the tongs, it'll serve up better because of the leafy spinach. And so that's the finished thing. Not very difficult. Very few ingredients. And right now, if you go out shopping at the grocery store, a lot of strawberries and spinach are on sale.
All right, Ruth. Well, thank you very much. And this is going to be on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, the ingredients, the recipes. So again, our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, you can find it. And Ruth, thank you very much.